Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crying at the Heart, and I'm back with a super mega haul. This is an after Christmas haul mostly, so I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys. I know I've been away for a little bit. I came back to work this week. It's been super busy. I had a trip right before that, and I've been doing a lot of destashing and cleaning out my room, which looks like a disaster, but I cleared out like 25 boxes worth of stuff, and I'm probably going to be doing another destash of dies and stamps. um, I don't know exactly when, but let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing I want to share with you guys is my spell binders. So I actually do the large die and small die of the month. It's $30, which includes shipping for both dies. It's actually a really good deal. And I also just included another kit, a Spellbinders kit, which I'm going to go into in a separate video because I want to go into what I got. But anyway, this is the small die of the month. The only problem that I have with this die is because when I signed up for the kit, it was the end of the month, so I get this at the end of the month. So if it's a seasonal product, I get it really late. So that's what happened with my December. I didn't really get to use my December dies because they came in December, and so I just didn't have a chance to use them. So that's my only beef with this kit, is I get my stuff very late. This one though is, I would say, not a seasonal die. It's one that you definitely could use year round. Both these dies are. And so these work with the large die, but they also can work separately. So they're a circle and scallop die. I think these would make really great shakers. This one includes birthday wishes, I think is what the inside says, and from all of us or something like that. So pretty nice. I like that one. And then this one makes a kind of a swing card, or a like a pop out card. And so you get the pop out mechanism, as well as the circular pieces that fit into this mechanism right here. And then these pieces also fit in there. So this is definitely something that can be used year round. So I like that. And then as a free gift, I guess like a Christmas type gift, they sent us a stamp set. It's a sentiment stamp set, which I've already actually used. And so as much as possible, you'll see that I have tried to put these in envelopes to get them ready to be filed. That's what was taking me so long. So let me go into my next thing I want to share with you guys, which is I bought a small, one of the items I put away, it looks like. But I bought a small destash, and I got a couple cute things. One is this bear mail, which is from Create a Smile, and that's like a German company, I think. So it's kind of cool to be able to buy it at a little bit less cost without having to deal with shipping abroad. And this one's called Cart Full of Treasures. And then this one I really wanted. This was only available in a kit. I forget the name of the kit. I think it's, I forget the name of the kit. But this is Ice Cream Marcy by La La Land, and it's a little small La La Land stamp. So I was excited to get that. And then, let me see, we'll go into CC Designs, 35% off their site. I bought this, which is a pull tab die, and when I really wanted to use this with the new Lawn Fawn Let's Toast stamp set. And Lawn Fawn is selling a similar mechanism, but theirs is like 3 times the cost of the CC Designs one. So I'm hoping this one will work just as well, because I got 35% off on this one. And so I'll have to give this one a try. I got that one, and then I got the something from one of their newer releases, Coffee and Cookie. So it's got a little bit of a winter or fall vibe, but I mean, I think it could be used for most of the year. And then I also got the dies because they were 35% off. And then let's see, from I'm gonna do my paper tray ink. I did buy some things from Paper Tray Ink. I haven't bought anything from them in a while, but they had some things I really liked. So they have this whole globe thing going on, and I decided to get a couple things from it. The December globes, which you can't really see really well, but it is a heart like a Valentine's Day one, and then the die. And then I also got this one, which is You Make My Heart Soar, and they are heart balloons, which, you know, that could be used anytime. And I thought it could be used with a lot of the different creatures that I have, including one of the ones I bought from them. And then I also went ahead and bought the Complete Globes die, because I thought there was different ways I could use that one. I got Bear Hugs, which is a very cute bear stamp set along with the dies. And then I got this huge sentiments, which I bought the sentiments that kind of go with it, except I didn't buy the actual little banner one. I don't know why I didn't get that one. But huge sentiments. And so basically you would use this hugs die, and then you would partner it up with some of the other smaller sentiments that are in the set. And then I also, as a gift, they had a freebie for December, which I don't know if they always do, but they had a freebie. And it's called Your Beautiful Birthday. And so I can't wait to show you guys what that one looks like. It's pretty cool. And let's see, go into Honeybee stamps. So Honeybee had a couple of things going on. One was a 40% off clearance, and then a 37% off their regular non-clearance items. So for, I didn't buy a lot off of clearance. So for clearance, I bought the Happy Everything, Happy Birthday, Happy Anniversary, Happy Everything, Happy Day, You Make Me Happy, Happy Moments, Happy Memories, Birthday Memories. So it's cute, basic stamp set. The other thing I got was Flaky Sentiments. And somewhere, I don't know where because I cannot find them. I mean, I had them and then now I don't. So they're somewhere in somewhere. I have the sentiments, the dies that go with it. And the dies spell out baby, snow, and flakes. And this goes with the flaky stamp set, which I have. And so I'm excited to use that. I have no idea what I did with the dies. They're around here somewhere. And then I got, so those were the ones that are 40%. Then 37% off their, you know, stuff that's not on sale, clearance. I got the Warm Wishes, and then I also got the dies. I got this beehive and the dies. 37% was a really good deal. And then I got this one, which is, I just love this one. You Are Loved. Really cute. Just like these big words, and I really like the font. And then I got this one, which is called Hi Honey. Again, I like just like these big words. And then I got from the brand new release, May the Mouse. You can make this a boy mouse or a girl mouse. And then I got the dies. And so that was a little bit of a splurge. And I got a couple of things from the Sassy Club planner stuff. I got Days of the Week, the bubble ones, and the weekend. And then I also, a lot of stuff was just out. I don't know. Some of these smaller companies, they don't keep a good stock. So I went to go buy things, and lots of things were sold out. So it's kind of a bummer. I forget what this one is called, but the other one that I wanted was out. Butterfly Reflections. I think I got this from Butterfly Reflections. They were 25% off. I got Let's Toast, and I think I got some other things too. So I don't know where they are. If they, maybe they were in a different order. And then the dies, and this is the one that I want to use that pull tab with. And then Ulta New. I bought some things off of their clearance. I think everything was on the clearance. This was only $10.50. I kept seeing it everywhere. I just decided to break down and get it. It's pretty humongous. You get a lot of stamps, and for $10.50, it's really a steal. You get all kinds of stamp sets for really, really good price. So, and they're really cute. So I did get that one. And this is another one that was on sale. So this one came with, it's called Painted Roses. And so it came with the stamp set, the die, and then these inks, and it was a really, really good price. So I think it was 40% off. And then you got the dies, which I'm super excited to try, but you get the dies so that you could do your stamping. So I loved that. So I got that. And then I got this Thoughts and Reminders. And then I got this one. So this one is called New Me. So it's all about me, out with the old, new beginnings, yourself. So this is sort of like a mindful stamp set. So I did get that one, just something different. And then I have a biggie to show you guys, but I really want to do some projects with it before I show you. So I'm hoping to have some time to do that, even though I kind of have a busy weekend as well. But let's hope I have some time because I want to do some projects to show you. And so I am working on a bunch of things. So I'm hoping that I'll get a chance to show you guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.